welcome back. I'm Yenny, and my husband and I are actually in Denver, Colorado right now. We got in this morning, got a rental, and we stopped for a Dr. Pepper before we do an hour and a half road trip to Estes Park, because that's our first stop of our 6-week trip, or not 6 week, 6-day trip here. So let's see what we get up to. Made it to Estes Park.
Finally.
Where are we now?
On Prospect Mountain, up on top.
Okay, cool. Let's check it out. We just got done at Prospect Mountain, and then we are here at the Stanley Hotel. How do you like it so far?
I see dead people.
How do you like your drink?
It's pretty good. Standard beer, but nothing special.
Okay, we're gonna go explore the Stanley Hotel after we finish our drinks. This is day 2 of our Colorado trip. We're here at Bear Lake, gonna go to Emerald Lake, and I think we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna check out Estes Park or the town a little bit, and then we're probably gonna go hang out with some friends in Fort Collins again. So we'll see what we have for today. Made it to Emerald Lake, right? Emerald Lake?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna continue up the trail and see what else we find. But look how beautiful! To Emerald Lake, and it's gorgeous and super peaceful. Just let me show y'all. We just got done at the Emerald Lake hike, I think, in the Rocky Mountain National Park. We're about to check out Estes and see what this cute little town has to offer. To our friend's place in Fort Collins that we're actually staying with tonight. We're gonna just barbecue or grill some steaks, I don't know yet, and then we're gonna have a few sides. But yeah, today was really fun. Really liked Emerald's Lake. Rocky Mountain National Park was super pretty. But if you are planning on going, I would check the reservation, because you actually have to have a reservation to enter the national park. But I hope you guys enjoyed. day 3 of our 6-day trip here in Colorado. We actually drove from Fort Collins to Steamboat, and we're about to grab lunch at Salt and Lime. And I think we're gonna walk around the town, check out some boutiques, and maybe find some cute clothes. All right, see y'all later. Update, Salt and Lime was actually closed for lunch today, so we tried the sandwich shop called Yampa Sandwich Company right across the street, and it was actually really good. I got the grand sandwich, and my husband got actually I don't know what he got. I kind of forgot what he got, but we split each sandwich in half, and then we tried each other's, and they were actually really good. Super nice. The service was super good. But then after that, we kind of just walked around, looked at some of the stores and boutiques, and now we're actually at our hotel. My husband went to go check us in, and then we'll see what our room was like.
Yep.
And I think we're gonna sit on the deck or
on the patio. Yeah, it's right on the Yampa River, so it should be pretty nice.
Yeah, so let's see how it is. In the hotel, getting ready for bed, and we're probably gonna end it here today. So see you tomorrow. Okay. Good morning, day 4 of our Colorado trip. A little late start to the day, but we're gonna check out a local bakery in Steamboat. It's a little wet outside, but we'll see how the hike for today goes. Just got done with dinner. We're at the Fish Creek Falls Trail, and we're gonna see how it goes. It was raining a lot earlier, so we'll see. Yeah, I know, right? We're about halfway through this hike, and it's a pretty steep incline, and it started raining.
Don't come to the aspens.
Huh?
Don't come to the aspens. Yeah, the aspens are really cool here. And the first little waterfall we saw was actually really cool. So hopefully the second one's even better. But yeah, let's keep going. To the second waterfall, the second one. We just finished the Fish Creek Trail, and we wanted to see what the Scenic Overlook Trail came out to, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we're done with hiking. We're about to get lunch at Salt and Lime because they were closed yesterday. So let's go eat some tacos. at the Strawberries Hot Springs. We were just chilling in the hotel earlier after lunch at Salt and Lime. Highly suggest the carne asada taco and the, which taco did you get?
The Colorado bison taco.
The Colorado bison taco. But yeah, let's check out these hot springs. Alright everyone, so we're back at the hotel after Strawberries Hot Springs. We left a little early because there was a thunderstorm rolling in and lightning and thunder, and thought it was a good time to leave. We ate some leftovers from the E3 restaurant dinner last night. It was the lobster mac and cheese and the wild mushrooms. We're doing a little laundry since this hotel has a washer and dryer, which is insane, but we're gonna call it a night. So see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It is the second to last day of our Colorado trip. We are gonna head to Wyona's for breakfast, and then we're gonna head towards Denver to hang out with Carl's dad for the day, and then yeah, the drive's probably, I think, like what, 3 hours? 3-hour drive. So let's see what we get up to today. So didn't get much footage from today after we left Steamboat, but we kind of just hung out with Carl's dad, had dinner at Little Maggiano's downtown in Denver, and then got Little Man ice cream. Highly recommend Little Man's ice cream if you've never been there before, or if you're thinking of visiting Denver, I definitely go there. But we're gonna end the vlog here for today, and probably won't film much tomorrow. That's the day we fly back to Houston, but we'll see what we get to tomorrow if I get any footage. But yeah, see y'all later.